Welcome to the A-420 how-to video for the Parallax C Start Simple Part A. For our first assignment, go to this website here and run the program, and they want us to modify it stating this. So we're going to modify it and add a line, and I'll show you how to. After we've updated our Learn folder, let's go ahead and open up the project. So we're going to go to Project, Open, and we're going to go to Documents, and we're going to go to Simple IDE and Learn Examples, and our first one is going to be C Intro, Basics, and let's open up Hello Message. Okay, so here's our hello message, and we need to have our board connected, and this will download the program, load the EEPROM. This will load the RAM and run, and this one will run with terminal. So let me hook up the board and we'll run it. Okay, here's our basic hello message, and anytime that we have a print and then something in parentheses, the red part's going to print out. This is the program that it needs in order to print things out. So we have to set the COM port, and then let's test it. And we have hello, so that's good, it's working. We have a COM port working well. So they asked us to save this, so let's save project as. And I'm going to go ahead and make it again, so we're not writing over our program. All right, and let's go ahead, and we need to add another message, modify the first one. So let's go ahead and copy and paste here. Good. So let's make this hello world. And let's put a comma, a backslash, and an N, and that should do a new line. And then we're going to put hello world again. And we're not going to, let's go ahead and put it. And this one doesn't need the backslash N because it won't need a new line. So this is going to provide another line and then print out the new one. So let's try it. Good. So it's working good. So let's get rid of this, and I'll show you what it looks like without our new line. And you notice that it's all on one line. We don't have the new line. Good. The next assignment, we're going to utilize some variables, A, B, and C. So A is assigned 25, B is 17, and C would be the sum of the two. And these print statements are going to allow us to print them out. So here's A and B, and then just C. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so let's do the next one. Let's open up our project. Open. And we need variables and calculations. Good. So we have integer A25C, and let's run it and make sure that we're okay. Looks good. So let's close out and let's save that again. I'm just going to call this 2. Okay, and then we need to modify it and put some print statements in here. Since we have the print statements, let's go ahead and just copy and paste those, and we'll modify them. Okay, so the first thing we want is A. We're going to print out A equals %D. That means decimal, and then we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to put in B equals decimal. Okay, and we're going to add one more. Nope, that's it. So we're going to put in a \n, so we go to a new line, and here we're going to print out A and B. Okay, so this tells it to do A. This is saying that it's going to be variable A that prints out. I'll go ahead and comment it. Okay, and the next thing we want to print out is A plus B. Okay, so we're going to print out C. And let's go ahead and backslash n so we get a space. And we're going to add a C minus, C equals, sorry, A minus B. And okay, let's add one more line here. So we need to put the formula in. So let's go ahead and C equals A minus B, semicolon. Each one of our lines have to have a semicolon after it. And so we're going to print A so we have A equals, and then B equals, okay, A and B again, okay. And then we're going to do A minus B equals %D, new line, and we're going to print out C. Okay, that looks good. Let's run it and see how we did. So A 25/17, A plus B equals 42. 25 minus 17 is 8. Looking good. So let's go ahead, and that's a good start for you. So I'm going to let you go from here.